Today we'll be making BB back ribs. You first want to wash your ribs off. From excess like blood and stuff like that, and then you will want to pat them down dry with that. All I have is salt, white pepper, and some normal black pepper. And so I'll just pour some on each side and just get all the sides marinated. Rubbed with all the... After you have rubbed your meat with your salt and pepper, or whatever spices you want, I recommend just cutting them up into, like, I'm being 4 people including myself, so in half slab pieces from the entire rack of ribs. So, if you're following along, I don't know which video I'll upload first, but if you're doing the bacon, you want to do it at 300 degrees until temperature gets about 140 to 145. But if you're doing the ribs, do it until temperature gets to at least 180 degrees. The wood chips I'm using are hickory. The charcoal I'm using is a mixture of maple and coconut. If you listen just closely, you can hear the meat on the grill sizzling as the grill is heating up. You can definitely put your meat on the grill. Now that your meat has been cooked to 180, take it out of your rack and with great difficulty and now put BBQ sauce on it. I would use a brush and just brush it on a good one so every piece of meat is covered. Then flip and sear. After you let your meat rest for about half an hour, you gotta enjoy your meat.